All right, Ken, here's a really interesting question from Claudia. This is a great question, and most people don't ask us this. So she says, since bottled oil or salad oil dressing oxidizes even when unopened, I guess, can C60 help mitigate this oxidation if I pour a little bit of your C60 into my salad oil dressing when I first get it?
And the answer is yes. We actually had a co-packer do that and found that just a little bit of C60 makes any oil last a lot longer than it normally would.
Cool. All right. So if she wants to add some C60 to an 8-ounce bottle of salad dressing to help extend the shelf life on her dressing, on her salad dressing, what would you recommend?
Oh, just put it like a teaspoon would be more than enough, and shake it up so it mixes up, and you'd be, that salad dressing will last a lot longer.
But speaking of salad dressing, it's a great opportunity for us to talk about seed oils. So let's talk a little bit about what might actually be in your salad dressing that you might not want to be taking.
What you want to do is read those labels. If it's canola oil or cottonseed oil or soybean oil or sunflower oil or safflower oil, those have high omega-6 to omega-3s, and they're really not healthy for you.
All right, thanks for that great question.